You're looking at the home of the fastest roller coaster on the planet. But is Ferrari World Abu Dhabi worth the ticket price in 2025? Located on Yas Island in Abu Dhabi, just about a 40-minute drive from Dubai, this park is a must-experience attraction for tourists. Let's see if it's right for you. You're here for speed, so your first stop must be Formula Rossa. It's the world's fastest roller coaster, launching you from 0 to 240 kilometers per hour in just 4.9 seconds. Next, Brave Flying Aces, which boasts the world's highest non-inverted loop, delivering wild airtime and dizzying twists. For a quick but unforgettable thrill, TurboTrack shoots you up through the famous red roof before a zero-gravity drop back down. Don't miss the newer Mission Ferrari, a 5D sensory overload with high-speed launches and the world's first sideways coaster drop. Ferrari World is incredibly child-friendly, with many family rides and dedicated kids zones. The family zone features Formula Rossa Jr., giving kids a taste of the big coaster. You can also drive a small-scale Ferrari through a miniature Italy on the Bella Italia ride, or enjoy classic spinning attractions like the tire twist. There truly is something for every member of the family. So, what's the final verdict for 2025? It's a definite yes for its fantastic mix of record-breaking thrills and fun for the whole family. A few tips for your visit. Arrive right at opening to ride Formula Rossa first to beat the lines, as it often requires a reservation. Wear comfortable shoes, as it's one of the world's largest indoor parks. And if you're staying on Yas Island, look into a multi-park pass to bundle tickets and save cash. To get the lowest prices and save money on official tickets, check out www.book-dubai.com. As a leading tourist platform for top attractions in Dubai and Abu Dhabi, they are an authorized partner selling hassle-free e-tickets for a seamless experience. You get instant confirmation, secure payment options, and free cancellation. It takes less than a minute to book your tickets and be on your way. What ride would you hit first? Let us know in the comments below.